The Zone Diet: Achieving Optimal Health and Wellness. The Zone Diet is a unique approach to nutrition and overall well-being in a world where diets come and go. Created by Dr. Barry Sears, this diet emphasizes the importance of balancing the right proportions of macronutrients to achieve optimal health. But what sets the Zone Diet apart from other fad diets? Let's dive into the science behind it. The science behind the Zone Diet. The Zone Diet is rooted in the idea of maintaining hormonal balance through the regulation of insulin levels. By consuming specific amounts of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, adherents aim to keep their bodies in a state where inflammation is minimized and cellular function is optimized. How does the Zone Diet work? At the heart of the Zone Diet is achieving a zone where the body's hormonal responses peak. This state is achieved by carefully balancing the intake of macronutrients in a specific ratio of 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% fat. This balance is believed to help control insulin and, in turn, manage inflammation and weight. The role of macronutrients in the Zone Diet. Understanding macronutrients' roles is crucial in the Zone Diet. Carbohydrates provide energy, proteins support muscle growth and repair, and fats aid hormone regulation and overall cellular health. This combination of macronutrients is designed to promote stable blood sugar levels and sustained energy throughout the day. Creating the perfect plate. The Zone Diet Guidelines. In the Zone Diet, meals are carefully constructed to maintain the desired macronutrient ratio. Picture your plate divided into sections. 1/3 filled with lean protein, the remaining 2/3 with colorful, non-starchy vegetables and a small portion of healthy fats. This visually balanced approach ensures you consume the proper nutrients in every meal. Benefits of the Zone Diet. The Zone Diet offers numerous benefits, including weight loss, improved mental focus, increased energy levels, and better athletic performance. By regulating insulin and reducing inflammation, the diet may also positively affect managing chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Addressing common misconceptions. One common misconception about the Zone Diet is that it's a low-carb diet. However, it's more about the quality and quantity of carbohydrates consumed than eliminating them. The diet also doesn't strictly eliminate any food group, making it a sustainable and flexible option for many individuals. Getting started with the Zone Diet. Calculate your macronutrient needs using Dr. Sears' formula to embark on the Zone Diet journey. This personalized approach ensures you consume the right amount of each nutrient to achieve hormonal balance. Consultation with a healthcare professional is always recommended before making significant dietary changes. Incorporating exercise for better results. While the Zone Diet lays the foundation for a healthy lifestyle, incorporating regular physical activity amplifies its benefits. Exercise complements the diet's effects on insulin and contributes to overall cardiovascular health and muscle tone. Tips for success on the Zone Diet. Plan your meals and snacks to ensure you meet the macronutrient ratios. Choose whole, unprocessed foods to maximize nutritional value. Stay consistent with portion sizes to avoid overeating. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Zone Diet-friendly recipes to try. 1. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens and olive oil dressing. 2. Quinoa and black bean bowl with avocado and salsa. 3. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables and a side of brown rice. The Zone Diet for long-term health. The Zone Diet isn't just a short-term solution. It's a lifestyle that promotes longevity and vitality. You're setting the stage for sustained health and well-being by prioritizing nutrient balance and making informed food choices. Expert opinions on the Zone Diet. Nutrition experts recognize the Zone Diet's scientific foundation and its potential to impact health positively. While it may only suit some, its emphasis on balanced nutrition aligns with many established dietary recommendations. Embrace a healthier lifestyle with the Zone Diet. The Zone Diet offers a refreshing perspective on achieving and maintaining optimal health in a world filled with dieting noise. By understanding the science, principles, and benefits behind the diet, you can make informed choices supporting your journey toward a healthier and more balanced life.